Hey everyone, it's Julianne here, bringing you another Trinity product close-up for the June 2020 second birthday celebration release. This is the Slimline Layered Confetti 6x9 laser cut 2-piece stencil set. This stencil set is perfect for doing any kind of ink blending or many other techniques to add confetti that will completely cover your slimline cards, but can definitely be used for other sizes such as A2 as well as A7. So I'm just going to be showing you here what this stencil set looks like. You can definitely see that it's very large compared to other stencils that you may have in your craft room. You do get 2 stencils in this set, as I mentioned before, and each of them have etched lines in them that hopefully you can see here, which make it super easy for you to line them both up to create that layered confetti look throughout your card. Like I mentioned earlier, these will cover your entire slimline background, but of course you can use it for other card sizes as well. This stencil set is designed to fit on your slimline background in landscape, but you can definitely use it in portrait as well. I'm going to be showing you here just how easy it is to line these both up to create your layered confetti. And I'm just going to be doing that using a scrap sheet of cardstock here to ink blend some cracked pistachio as well as some mermaid lagoon using one of my Trinity Stamps blending brushes today. So I'm just going to be temporarily adhering that down using some purple tape, and then I'm going to start my ink blending using that cracked pistachio, making sure to fill in each one of those confetti pieces. Once I think I have a good blend, I'm then going to remove that first stencil, and I'm going to line up the second stencil using those etched lines that I talked about earlier. And then I'm going to start ink blending with that mermaid lagoon. Now there are etched lines on both stencils, so you can start with either one for your cards, or maybe you just want to use one. Either way is perfectly fine. You could definitely use this stencil to make some really nice celebration backgrounds, and of course for any birthday cards. Or maybe you need to make some congratulation cards for all those graduates. And you could even do red and blue confetti to make some cards for 4th of July. Once I have all my ink blending done, I'm then going to remove that stencil to reveal my layered confetti look. So now here I've created both of these slimline cards using that layered confetti stencil set, but instead of doing ink blending like I showed you before, I used some Nuvo Glimmer Paste, which I think adds some really nice glitter to both of my cards. Now here is some more great inspiration from the rest of the design team using the brand new layered confetti stencil set. Make sure that you check out the Trinity Stamps blog as well as their Instagram and our Facebook group for even more inspiration as well. And make sure you click that like and subscribe button down below for even further design team inspiration. I hope you have a wonderful day and happy crafting!